Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with my next design team project for the month of July for Craft Supplies for You. And this time I have done an embellishment box, which I am doing for a swap in my Facebook group. And I'm very excited about it. This was a little outside my comfort zone because they're colors I don't normally work with. My swap partner loves lavender and silver, and I love silver myself, but I haven't worked with a lot of purples and lavenders, so this was kind of fun and challenging for me, and I'm pleased with how it came out, so I hope that she likes it too. I chose this beautiful image that I found on the internet, and I just thought she was so dreamy and so beautiful looking. So I printed that off, and what I did to the image, I'm sure you can see there's lots of sparkle in her hat that she's wearing. What I did was I used the very tiny little bling that I had in my stash, and I very delicately and painstakingly added some to her hat here and then some down here as well. And then I also added some stickles, so it really looks like it's just sparkling like crazy. I really love how that came out. I love the rose on here. I did put a tiny bit of stickles in the center of the rose. But I'm really pleased with how that part of it came out. And this is just, let me flip it over, a typical embellishment box that you'll see. And I've added a sticker here with my name on it. So I got this at my dollar store. So that's the base. And then what I did to decorate it, I'll show you on the back here. I used this beautiful trim here from Craft Supplies for You, and I went all the way around the box except for where the closures are on the front, which I'll show you in a moment. And I put some rhinestone trim, which is also from Craft Supplies for You, down the center of that. This is a lovely gathered trim with lace and then this really super light pinky lavender edge to it. So I thought that went well. So I did that all the way around, except for right here at the closures on the front, because you need to be able to close it. And then underneath it, I've used some white crochet trim here from KS4U. And then the lavender trim here is from one of the larger panel laces from KS4U. And it was just a perfect lavender color, purple lavender color. So I did that on both sides, and then I used these lavender appliques, one on each corner, one here and one over here. And then I used some flower appliques that my friend Lacey sent me. Hey Lacey. She sent me those. And the reason I used those was because they had the silver in them. So I thought that would go well. And then I used some GIMP trim that you can kind of see here, right there. And then on top of that, I used this beautiful pearl trim from KS4U. The GIMP trim and the pearl trim are both from Craft Supplies for You. And to embellish it, I used these beautiful silver ribbon roses that you can see all over the box. There you go. And this crown piece here, that's from Craft Supplies for You as well. And then I just used some bits from my stash. This beautiful heart piece and bling piece, the believe word, and the star were from my stash. And then I created this little embellishment here that says Dreamer. I printed that off, and then I put glossy accents over it, and then I surrounded it with more of the KS4U rhinestone trim, and then a couple of the little satin flowers on either side. Now here on the front, I did put a few dangles. These were from my stash, these two dangles, and I only put them on the front because it would be too hard to close the box otherwise. So let me get this open and I will show you the inside. So the inside, what I did was I created a pocket. Not sure if you'll be able to see that there. I've created a pocket here on the top, and I used more of the GIMP trim from KS4U here. This flat lace here is also from KS4U, and that creates the pocket, as is the crochet trim and this beautiful ivory trim here. And I put like a Pegasus horse on the inside. I just, I know my friend likes mystical type things like that, so I just love that picture, so I put it in there. And I've added some tags that I printed off of angels, and they're just sitting inside here for her. And then you can see here that I filled it with lots of goodies and embellishments that I've made, and there's a few more things to go in here, but I wanted to point these little jars out. These I got at my dollar store as well, these little jars. And I used more of the GIMP trim from KS4U here, and then of course the little lavender loopy flowers, and I may still add some of these to the top of the box as well. I was thinking about it, but I haven't done it yet. I'm still working on it a bit, but I'm pretty much done. But I loved how these little bottles fit in here. These did not come with the embellishment box. I bought them separately, but I've filled them with all kinds of lovely goodies for my friend. They're just filled with charms and beads and little flat back flowers and all kinds of things. Just lots and lots of goodies. Metal pieces, the little clay flowers. So I'm sure she's going to have lots of fun with all the goodies. So that's that. And then I added a piece of lace, a little snippet, and then this little flower trim is also from KS4U that I added on the top as well. So that's that. And then I've added some trims here, and then I also made some little snippet pieces for her to have fun with. And the doilies and the loopy flowers here are also from KS4U. And there's the little doily on the back that I used. And she can just have fun with these. And there's another one. Another snippet piece. I love using snippets, so I hope that she likes the little pieces that I made there. And then over here, I've added a couple more pieces, and these ones I've used a little pink flower on. A little pink loopy flower, whoops. And again, they're just snippet pieces that you can add to a project. And the loopy flowers, and then these little applique pieces. This piece here is from a larger flat lace from KS4U, and I just cut the flowers out. And some seam binding, and then this little heart applique is also from KS4U. So all of those are from KS4U, and I've also added a few of the ribbon flowers for her to play with, and these are in the darker purple, which Craft Supplies for You also carries. I've added some appliques from KS4U, some trims, so lots of things to surprise her. And I made some butterflies. I actually did those on one of my live shows, and they came out really pretty. I love how they came out. And then I did some larger bling embellishment pieces. And then these pieces are stickers that I made, so she can peel off the back and use these on cards or whatever she likes in junk journals, but they're stickers, so they'll just stick. And I've added just a few little embellishments and clay flowers and things to them. So just peel the back off of those, and they go in there. And then these are some washi tape feathers that I made. That's what these are. And I saw a tutorial on YouTube for these, so this is not my original idea. And I really love how they came out. They're super cute. So those are my washi tape feathers that she can play with. So as you can see, there's lots of goodies. I've got a few little spools in here for her to alter, and a little ballerina. You know, so there's lots of fun little goodies in here for her to play with, and I'm going to add a few little more things into that. But that is my embellishment box for my friend, and there is the top again that I will show you, and there you can see the front and then the sides. So I hope that you like my embellishment box. I hope my friend likes it too. I haven't made one of these before, so it was really fun, and using colors I don't normally use. It was a challenge, but a fun challenge at the same time. So anyway, that's my project, my second project for this month, and I will be back with another video soon. So let me know what you think, everybody, and the links to craft supplies for you are in the description box below. You can find those there. And I will talk to you guys soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.